Hi, this is Josh from Tekamo News, and today we're talking about how the ARA, or the American Rental Association, is projecting significant growth going forward. The longer-term forecast, while showing slower growth than last year, remains bullish. It is generally a good time to be in the equipment rental industry. In the times of high uncertainty, a lot of companies are looking for rentals, not to purchase. Depending on how long we have this high inflation and supply chain constraints, couple that in with labor shortages and rising interest rates, this may be the way of the future. The equipment rental revenue will grow 11.2% to reach nearly $55.9 billion, or like 1/3 of Elon, right? The ARA forecast for equipment rental revenue in Canada, combining construction and general tool revenue, closely mirrors the outlook of the US, projecting growth of 14.4% in 2022 to $4.7 billion. 6% in 2023, and 2% in 2024. That's a lot of numbers. All in all, what I get from this article is that rentals is going to continue to be a good revenue stream for a lot of companies. If you're looking for a good rental company to use, I recommend Westcan Rentals or Rent One. They're both very efficient, and Brian is a great contact. Brian, guy, all muscles. If you're looking for more information on rentals, or suggestions on who to contact, reach out to me at joshd@TekamoHD.com. As always, to keep up with industry news, like and subscribe, and hit the bell. That's a tough word for me. Subscribe. 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 All right.